What is ASMR? ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a tingling sensation that typically begins on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine. This phenomenon is triggered by specific auditory or visual stimuli, known as triggers. ASMR music plays a vital role in creating a calming and immersive experience. Soft, soothing melodies, gentle instrumental music that promotes relaxation. Natural sounds, rain, waves, wind, and other ambient noises that help create a serene atmosphere. Repetitive patterns, rhythms and tones that induce a meditative state. Binaural beats, sounds that provide a 3D audio experience, enhancing the sensation of closeness and immersion. Whispering, soft, whispered voices that can soothe and relax the listener. Tapping, gentle tapping sounds often on different surfaces to create a rhythmic pattern. Scratching, light scratching sounds that produce a pleasant tingling sensation. Rustling, the sound of crinkling paper, leaves, or fabric that can be incredibly soothing. Water sounds, flowing water, raindrops, and ocean waves that promote tranquility. When producing ASMR music for videos, consider the following tips. High-quality audio. Ensure the recording is crisp and free from background noise. Balanced volume levels. Keep the volume at a consistent and comfortable level to avoid startling the listener. Variety of sounds. Incorporate different triggers to keep the content engaging. Natural pacing. Allow for pauses and natural rhythms to maintain a relaxing flow. Personal touch. Use unique sounds or personalized messages to connect with the audience. Benefits of ASMR music. Reduces stress, helps listeners unwind and reduce anxiety. Improves sleep. Calming sounds can aid in falling asleep faster and improving sleep quality. Enhances focus. Gentle music and sounds can improve concentration and productivity. Promotes emotional well-being, creates a sense of comfort and relaxation, contributing to overall emotional health. Recommended tools for ASMR music production. Microphones. High-quality binaural microphones, e.g. 3-dio free space, to capture 3D sound. Audio editing. Software. Programs like Audacity, Adobe Audition, or GarageBand for refining and editing sounds. Sound libraries. Access to high-quality sound libraries, e.g. Freesound, Splice, for diverse triggers. ASMR music is a powerful tool for creating relaxing and immersive experiences. By understanding its elements and carefully crafting the sounds, you can produce content that not only engages, but also benefits the well-being of your audience.